Welcome to the Art of RVing. Welcome to the Art of RVing. Today Mark has 2 more impressions for you. And he spent the whole day working. Welcome to our channel. Today Mark has 2 more impressions for you. Stay tuned.
And here we go.
Hey, welcome to our channel, the Art of RVing. I'm Carrie.
I'm Mark.
And if you haven't subscribed, please do so.
Yep.
If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
Hit the like button, please, if you like what you see, or if you're interested in Mark doing more impressions, leave a comment below.
And we're on Instagram. We're going to do just what we've done before. We're going to do a
mega channel.
And a mini channel.
And a mini mega channel.
A mini mega channel. We are issuing
challenge.
An open challenge. So if any of you guys would like to try your hand at imitating someone else, we would love to see it. Doesn't have to be a big deal. Doesn't have to have makeup. Doesn't have to be scripted. Anything like that. It would just be fun. You know?
And remember, don't make fun of people.
Right.
But have fun with the people.
Yes. And that's the key. So
it's all in fun.
Yeah. You ready to go?
Let's go.
Let's move. Hey guys, we just got set up. We paid a little extra just to get a little extra scenery behind the camper, and you've got to see this. It's just something that you're just not gonna. You're just really, really pretty. Let me turn this camera around and let you see it. I just love how he dumps it into that truck. It's so pretty. We always bring our 2 cats along, beautiful kittens. They really are. And let's take a look at those kittens. I got a little video. You think you're gonna like it. Mink and Molly. Meow, 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 meow. Joan and I are out on a nature hike. We were hoping to see some birds today, but it's a little hot and humid, so I'm not exactly sure, but we're gonna try because we know if they're like out there. Meow, 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 meow. And then, oh, wait a minute, I do see one right there. Oh, that's some kind of pretty. I'm gonna try to whip the camera around here and see if you can see it. So you guys know that this is a non-drama channel, you know. We don't like to show a lot of drama on this channel, but boy howdy, we had something we went through. I had to share with you. We went through Hurricane Dorian. Meow, 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 meow. Hey, that was some kind of pretty, for pity's sake, but that was okay. And then after that, Joan and I, we went through 3 wrecks, and cost us 3 hours time. And let me tell you, that was okay too, because I just push it all down. I push all the anger and everything down, and I just keep pushing it down. And so that's okay. I mean, things happen, right? It's so pretty. Meow, meow, meow. And then the engine light came on, and then I blew a turbo, and I just kept pushing it down, you know, and pushing it down because things happen. I mean, for Pete's sake. It's okay. Like Lori Braun says, serenity now, insanity later. Okay, so what'd you think about that one? It was awesome. Shirt ripper?
A little intense.
It was. We love this guy's name's Jerry.
He is just calming, he's easy to watch, he's very informative.
We love his spirit.
We do. He's so positive all the time. I love RV life.
Yes.
That's Jerry.
I love RV life. Go check it out.
Check it out.
It's awesome.
We'll link it below.
Yeah, so let's get on with the next one. Hey guys, I just wanted to... Hey guys, I just wanted to... Hey guys, I just wanted to... Hey guys, I just wanted to welcome you to... We're camping at Yasker's Campground, and I just wanted to go over just a little bit about the amenities here, and I was just... I wanted to thank all you guys for coming in on my live streams. They're getting a lot bigger. Last night I had 10 people in there, and I really appreciate that, so I could get that shameless watch time on there. It's very important to me. I want you to come by. I got a chair here. We can sit it down and we can talk a little while. You can play with some of my dogs. Here's one now. Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. So I've had some calls about this battery charger right there, and they wanted to know how it works, so I wanted to explain it in the most simple terms possible. So I just wanted to say that it has some kind of a nucleus of about 235 inside it with 92 protons along with arrangement of particles with this 235. I just wanted to say it down and tell you I've got an exciting 3 products that I have developed that I'd like your support on them. One is this self-leveling compound. It's awesome. And I've got a picture of it right here. If you have trouble finding it, you can see right there it's got my picture on the front of it. It'll be easy to find. So my second product that I want to show you, it's awesome. I couldn't find it at first. I had to look in my closet in the house. But it's this new cleanser that I've developed. It's awesome. And you'll see again that on the cleanser itself, it's got my picture right there on the front of it. And so for the third product I'd like for you to try, and Bob and I got together this Thanksgiving and we decided that we were going to develop a really big turkey for Thanksgiving. You're going to see this big sign in a lot of the stores, and I'm going to try and get it bigger if I can. You'll see my picture right there on the bird. It's awesome.
Did you guess? So it's a smaller channel.
Smaller channel. The guy is awesome. I really, really like him. Very knowledgeable.
From the south.
Yeah, did you guess that?
Way south.
Yeah, way
Deep
south. Deep south. And I watch a lot of his videos like you should. Did you guess? It's Camper Life. Shout out William. Don't hurt me. So
y'all
anyway,
check it out. We'll link it below. It's a great channel.
Yeah, we appreciate you guys watching and look for the next one.
Mark. Welcome to the Art of RVing. Today Mark has 2 more impressions for you. And he spent the whole day working on them, and it's New Year's Day and there's a bunch of crap to put up and he's filming.